If you're experiencing the common 0 byte download issue on Steam, where your games or updates won't start downloading, this guide offers the solutions. First, you need to go ahead and disable VPN or proxy interfering with the Steam downloads. So disable any active VPN or proxy settings, and if this should still persist, re-enable the proxy setting if needed. Now clear the cache in the DNS and Steam. Clearing the cache can resolve download problems, but note that clearing the Steam download cache will reset any download progress. So to clear the DNS cache, press on Start plus R to open Run, or simply search for Run command. Here, enter this command and press OK on your keyboard. You will need to log back into Steam after this. Now open the CMD, which is command prompt. Run it as an administrator and give administrator privileges. Now here, simply type in ipconfig/flushdns. Hit enter on your keyboard. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to process, and then log back into your Steam. After performing these steps, your download should work correctly. And if nothing works, try reinstalling Steam on your device. Uninstall Steam by going to Add and Remove Programs. From this page, select Steam, then tap on Uninstall and tap on OK to confirm, then reinstall it from its official website. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.